Ever wonder what your digital fingerprint truly looks like? Your search history is a detailed map of your curiosities, needs, and even your deepest thoughts. Today, we're diving deep into search history, what it is, why it's collected, and crucially, how you can take control of it. Search history is a record of your online queries and visited websites. Every time you type into Google or YouTube, that info is often stored, not just locally, but on their servers. This data allows for highly personalized experiences, from tailored ads to recommending your next show. It's the engine behind internet customization. While personalization is convenient, it raises significant privacy concerns. This vast data collection paints an accurate picture of you, which can be shared or even accessed legally. Think targeted ads, insurance rate adjustments, or identity theft if unsecured. Your digital breadcrumbs are valuable, protecting them is paramount. The good news is you're not powerless. Most platforms, like Google, offer dashboards to view, delete, or pause search activity. Private browsing modes, like incognito, prevent session history from being saved locally. Regularly clearing your history or adjusting privacy settings gives you significant control. Explore these options today. In essence, your search history is a powerful tool for both convenience and potential vulnerability. Understanding and managing it is a critical skill in our digital age. If this was helpful, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more digital insights.